Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got NCLA Vodka Soda. I've started off with Dainty Digits Glitter Be Gone. And here is NCLA Vodka Soda. It's a very unusual polish. I had to have this one. I saw it many years ago on somebody's channel. Had to have it. It came in, it went in the drawer, never got used. This is the first time. So I've got the first coat going on there, and I'm going to cap my free edge. It's just really weird. I don't know how to describe it. It's like a really jelly white with little chunks of white and silver glitter in it. And it's got kind of like a little bit of a dirty look to it. I know that sounds crazy. I'm not talking like dirty as in nasty. I'm talking about just kind of like grungy. You know, I don't know. Very bumpy. So I did 3 coats of that, and I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. And it looks so much prettier with the top coat on. So I'm getting to where I like it a little bit more. But as that top coat dries down, I end up realizing it's still bumpy. So we're going to do something about that here in just a little bit. I will show you. So here's my swatch photo of it on its own. I'll be using Pueen SE03A. Trying to use these plates that Miss Becky sent me. Get that blue film off and clean it with some acetone. And then we're going to hop on into some playing. I'm going to be using this Born Pretty stamper today in my beauty scraper. And this is I Blew It All on Polish by Hit the Bottle. This is another thing that Miss Becky sent me. I didn't do a haul on the stamping polishes, but she sent me a bunch of stamping polishes too. So I'm going to get that lined up and on there. I really like that image. Y'all know I'm a twirly swirly kind of girl, but I really like that one. And I'm just going to go across this plate and just use all sorts of images. I just want to give it a real road test. I like that one too. It could be good for like Christmas or something. Kind of reminds me of ornaments. Love this heart image in the middle. I'd use that. Figured since it's in the middle of the plate, I would put it on my middle nail. Get those flyaways to lay down. And this image doesn't look like much, but after I got it on my nail, I was like, oh wow. You know how some images look different on the nail than what you thought it would? Really like that one. And then this one reminds me of like shamrocks, or not shamrocks, but 4-leaf clovers. They're like 4-leaf clover flowers. Very nice. Beautiful plate, easy to work with. So I'm going to clean this plate off with some pure acetone. And wipe it over with a paper towel to get the smudges off. Still working on getting that alcohol out on my desk so that we can, you know, start spraying them and cleaning them with that too before we put them away. I'm using a little piece of tape to get up the excess. It's working excellent today. Got a little boo-boo on my pinky finger, but it's not polished. I'm leaving there. It's a boo-boo. And then I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and do a little bit of tidying up. There we go. I am going to top this one with some smudge-free top coat. Going to get it to dry down. And it's, excuse me, looking quite bumpy still to me. So I'm going to use the American Classics Gellus. It's not a gel polish, it's a regular polish that I get from Sally's. It's like my filler. And then I'm going to use the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls as my final top coat. The Gellus is not a fast dry, so you put it on, let it dry just a little bit, and then use your regular top coat that you like. And cap that free edge again. So here is my manicure in motion. I do have a swatch photo coming up soon. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did or didn't, leave me a comment down below. I love hearing from you. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.